Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix battery draining fast after updating to iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution 1. Turn on reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Go to motion. Turn on reduce motion. iOS 26 introduced new liquid glasses animation. Disabling them will help save battery life. Solution 2. Reset all setting. Open the setting app. On the setting page, tap on General. Scroll down and tap Select Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Choose Reset All setting. Enter your passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will restart with all settings back to default. Solution number 3. Disable background app refresh. Open the setting app. On the setting menu, tap on General. Select background app refresh. Tap again and choose off. You can also select Wi-Fi only instead of Wi-Fi and mobile data to save more power. Solution number 4. Enable optimized battery charging. Open the setting app. On the setting menu, scroll down and tap on battery. Select battery health and charging. Turn on optimized battery charging. This prevents your iPhone from staying at 100% charge for too long, which helps extend battery health. And that's it. Guys, try this solution and you will definitely notice better battery life on iOS 26. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching this video.